Okay, so this is our Rube Goldberg project. Simply what happens is that the marble releases and goes down the inclined plane.
Then it hits these marbles, which in turn hit the wheel and axle of the car.
Go down this hole, going down another inclined plane.
Hits this here gate, releases all these marbles into the cup, which is connected through a pulley to the end of the air compressor valve. It sends air to the air horns and...
Alright.
And this is me, Adam, Trevor, and Jack. Jack's Rube Goldberg project. So.
Okay, let's get this going.
Failed again.
It's because there's no...
Wait, why didn't you guys light the fuse?
Because it's too much smoke here. Just do it again.
Fuse low enough.
With the normal size one.